In this video, we are going to review how to use Parakeet AI Desktop. Quick and easy tutorial. Desktop setup. Fast. Parakeet AI is an AI tool that helps job seekers prepare for their interviews, be it a technical interview, a coding interview, or a behavioral interview. It is one-and-all AI interview assistant providing instant interview answer feedbacks for specific job roles and industries. It integrates with major video platforms and stays out of the spotlight while boosting your interview game. What is Parakeet AI? Parakeet AI is your invisible real-time job interview co-pilot. It reads your resume, understands the role and company you're targeting. How to use Parakeet AI. Step 1. Visit their official site, Parakeet AI. Step 2. Click on Try for Free Sign In with Google to Parakeet AI. Step 3. Sign in with Google and Parakeet AI Dashboard will open Parakeet AI Dashboard. Step 4. Now, you can upload your resume or just start a free trial session. Try for free. Step 5. Now type your company and job description and click Next. Choose company and fill in your job description. You can select your language and fill in extra instructions like AI model or any other, and then click Next. Step 6. Choose a resume and click Next. Choose a resume. Step 7. Click Next to save your AI interview transcript or summary AI interview summary. Step 8. Create a free trial session, 10 minutes long, and choose your free trial session. Choose your platform, desktop or browser, activate and connect. Activate and connect, select the window. Select the window. Boom, you are all set up now. Interview setup. Now, it will listen to the question of the interviewer and generate an AI answer. AI interview answer. After exit, the dashboard will show one session. Interview session. That was all about using Parakeet AI. So this was how to set Parakeet AI. As always, thank you for watching.